Every day, thousands of people travel to Phuket seeking the beauty of the ocean. They come for the turquoise water, the tropical beaches. But beneath the surface lies a world many never see, a living coral reef that protect our shoreline, support local livelihood, and provide a home to hundreds of marine species. For years, Phuket Marriott Resort and Spa Merlin Beach has been doing more than just simply enjoying these natural assets. We have been studying it, monitoring it, learning from it years after years. Because meaningful conservation begins with understanding. Working alongside CB Diving and WildAid Thailand, we continue to deepen our understanding of this ecosystem and use science to guide our conservation efforts. And the reef has revealed an incredible story. These numbers are more than statistics. They are evidence of a thriving reef. One of our most encouraging discoveries was the presence of young coral setting onto the reef, a clear sign that this ecosystem is not only surviving, but continuing to renew itself. Through the Merlin Reef Education Center, guests learn about the reef before entering it. By combining conservation education, responsible ocean activities, and reef-safe practices, every visit becomes an opportunity to connect with the ocean and help protect it. Because people protect what they understand, and they care about what they experience. Today, the reef at Merlin Beach is more than an attraction. It is a living laboratory, a classroom, a sort of discovery, a home for marine life.